Welcome boys. Okay, in this video, it's going to be brief, but we're going to address a slow air leak I have in this tire. So these are the new winter snow tires I have on the Crown Vic. I've already mounted them, and as you can see, those are the shiny rims. The high gloss paint, front and rear, have been painted. And after I got these snow tires installed, I let them sit in the basement. I aired them all up myself to about 40 psi or maybe 30 something, I don't remember. And all of them held air, with the exception of this one. And so I was wondering what the problem could be, and I noticed even when I first got the tire that it had this little lip here that's kind of bent. And I do believe that's the source of my air leak. I believe the bead here has just enough of a bend where it's not contacting and it's leaking. So we're going to address that. So I have ye old gigantic sledgehammer and this piece of wood. So we're going to whack it until it goes straight. And if we can't do it like that naturally, I do have my heat gun available, so I can heat the rim and make that form a little more easily. Which I might just do anyway, because it would probably make my life easier. But you never know, this 2x4 action might work. But we're going to make that bend, not bent. So, let's get her done. If I was smart, I would pull this off the car. If I was even smarter, I'd take the air out so I don't have 40 pounds of air pressure pushing against me while I do this. But what are you going to do? I'm lazy. Digging into my paint, boys. Should have done this before I painted them wheels. Well, nothing a repaint can't fix. Or maybe a little sand and buff. But these are the winter tires anyway. I might heat it up. Let's get the heat done. Make this a little easier for us, shall we? Alright, boys. Temp is currently about 54 degrees. Now I don't know what temperature paint melts or anything, but boiling's 212, and I'm pretty sure if you dump something painted in boiling water, the paint doesn't evaporate. So let's say 200. Or an 87. At 110. $140. $180. Alright, let's give it a few good whacks. $207. Let's try it. say, boys? Raise a fucking arrow, huh? Don't let the discoloration here from the hammer job fool ya. That looks pretty fucking straight. Lips barely even there now. Alright, I call that a win. Boom, done. So we'll just shoot it with some paint, and then should be good to go for the winter. So steel wheels for the win, boys. Thanks for watching.